Hello, hello. It's Tim with Perkins Roofing here. And this is a special little short video for you. I just want to show off our new tool. So this is a different one. You can see a little bubble of me in the corner here. And this is our website. So you can check out our website. We have this really cool new feature. And it just kind of says, what's your address right here? And I'm going to show you how this works. So you can get a ballpark estimate really simply. I'm putting in here our Miami office. So you can see our Miami office here. This is the building next door, which I'll just leave it for fun, whatever. This is, even though Dean owns that one too, the original founder of the company. So we'll go ahead and put both of them. So you see it highlights on here. It shows your structures. You can continue. How steep. These are flat roofs. So we'll go ahead and put flat. And you're going to put in there whatever your roof is. If it's low slope, would be like 3 on 12, 4 on 12. Moderate might be like 6 on 12. Steep is something that you're not going to be able to walk on, where you might need to use toe boards or high reach or something like that to do it. You can see it says for roof A and for roof B. These are both flat roofs on this house. On our office here, what is currently on there, mod bit. Actually, there's a gravel roof on one of them too, even because it's so old. Mod bit. When would you like to start? Let's do it now. Interested in financing? No. Need to re-roof my flat roofs. You can just give us a little note here. So we put this in here. I'm going to put my name. Let's see, it's going to put my email. It's going to put another phone number on there. I agree. Boom. Look at that. Look how easy. So this is then review your estimate. It's showing me ballpark wise basically what I'm going to be looking at. 31 to 39,000 to re-roof the flat roofs here. That's for both of these. And come in here, get free proposal, more details. See, it kind of tells you about flat roofs. Gives you our information. And then what's going to happen, it's going to give me an email. You can see my email here. See estimate. As this is loading. And you can see this is giving me this ballpark estimate in my email, so you can check that out. And then if you want an accurate estimate, then what you would do is you'd follow up and call. So this is a great tool if you're just trying to figure out, and you can use it anywhere. You don't even have, if you're not even in Perkins Roofing's working territory, if you're out in California or whatever, you can still use this tool for estimates. Basically, you can use this to get a ballpark for budgeting purposes. If you're a property manager, you can use this tool to get ballparks. If you're a homeowner, you're trying to figure out how much money you need to save. There's a variety of reasons why you may need to find out, okay, how much am I going to be looking at? Maybe you're trying to figure out if you want to do shingle or metal, and you can do that. Here, I'll use my Jupiter office too, since it's a sloped roof, and you can see what it looks like from there. All I have to do is just refresh it. Boom, boom, boom. Here's my Jupiter address. So you can see a sloped roof on this little run through here. So we'll come in here, put Jupiter, and see here's my Jupiter address. It's got all my structures. All these are steep slope. Actually, they're moderate. It's got moderate, 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 because I've got 6 on 12s. Continue. What is currently on there? I've got shingle. Say I want to do a metal roof. And let's say it's not urgent, but I just want ballpark pricing. No financing. Test. Continue. Again, put my name in there. And then look, it's going to show me if I want a metal roof. I'm looking at 112 to 142,000 for those three structures. For shingle, 52 to 65. For tile, 95 to 121. And the range is all dependent on upgrade options. Like, are you using concrete tile or clay tile? That's where you get this variation. do you want a secondary water barrier? So these upgrade options that you can do, that's why. Am I doing 3-tab or architectural shingle? Do I want a secondary water barrier on that shingle? So that's why there's a range here, is that there are a variety of different options that you can add to all of these different types of roofs. But you see it's just really quick. It gives you this ballpark range here. And so very simple. And sends you the email, blah, blah, blah. And if you want an actual estimate from us, then you just follow back up if you want the accurate pricing. But this is good for budgeting purposes. It's good for, like I said, if you're in real estate, or if you're an investor and you're trying to figure out, is this house that has a bad roof worth the investment? This is a very great tool. So this tool can be used by anyone for free on the website. All you got to do is plug everything in, and it takes, you saw 2 minutes to get a pretty accurate ballpark estimate on any type of roofing system. Thanks for watching. That's Tim with Perkins Roofing. Again, we're supplying this tool for free, so hopefully you're giving us your business, or at least having us bid you out if you're going to use our tools. But our office number for Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys is 305 MIA Roof. For up north in Palm Beach County, it is 561-559 Roof. And for Perkins Construction, you can call either number, and Perkins Construction is related to the roofing company, so you can pretty much call any of those numbers, and you'll get Perkins Construction 2, because Perkins Construction is the sister company. Literally operates out of the same office as the Miami office, but that company reaches all those spans for concrete restoration, impact windows, painting, all that good stuff. And then we also can do, if you call my other number, sorry, I got to turn around and get it, 561-339-9170. That's our franchise number. So if you're interested in your own Perkins Roofing franchise, check out the franchise video. Great industry to be in. You could make a decent amount of money. You can see this is for one roof, right? So like, it's a high revenue industry, bulletproof industry right now. You got insurance backing it, because insurance is requiring re-roofs. You have storms backing it. So even though storms can be cyclical in Florida, this is really a non-cyclical business, because you can work all year. You don't have to stop for the snow. So really, it's a great industry to be in. So if you're interested in a roofing franchise, give me a call at that other number, or email at franchise at perkinsroofing.net. So franchise at perkinsroofing.net for franchise. Thank you for watching. I hope you use the tool and enjoy it.